Ina bungeis.
Kan minus.
Ngenzeni manje bese?
Hayi Thabo ndingumfethu ngokukuwe. Sharp ke.
Ngenzeni manje?
Bye.
Ngikhuluma nawe yini wakubuka amandonga yini?
Hayi Thabo usujola nami because why uzobiza odonga amandonga.
Yini wakubuka amandonga yini? Azo ayiphi bo yini uholini?
Hayi bongihle nolihle that's why ngihappy.
Njani?
Ngihle nolihle.
Oh,
Yabo uyafobela la.
ngahle nonganakho ngakuhappy.
Indaba ebuka kanje.
Angibanga.
Yatebona.
Hey girl, uyadla ingane yami. That dessert. Kelly. Iza.
Such a pain, pride, man. I can't imagine
Yo. Ayisana.
So, do you just say I'm a pain?
How's
Do you just say I'm a pain?
so damn. I mean, I better present trial and then one day when it's not you. Saying I should just go on. I can't be kind of.
Do you know what they do to me though?
Yo.
I literally reciprocate the energy because like what I'm doing is the same thing that she does.
Yo.
Justify that's the state on time of nothing is.
So you don't believe me. That's why you're telling me to justify myself.
You believe it.
You don't believe me basically.
It's around team
You and the bang, wena.
I remember one thing, it's some pretty body lah.
Sugeza. Olihle, yazi ba ulihle mina uyandivusa. Acela nami bami ndimenzele ukutya. Like ndilele ebuthongweni bami. Actually nje. Mna andixelela uba sisethi I need this. He said I want this. And it's not a bad thing, ne? Because nami kaloku yabona njengoba ndimhluba. She does the same thing. Literally. Bese nakhalaza kakhulu. Yena. Don't touch this. Chini baby, manje thibana nami ndivuka ndize ndimenzele ukutya. Hey. Yabona ngonditheni yena.
Uqala nje awuboni nje wena emifini, ucabanga seleyakuvusa futhi.
Okay, now you're throwing shade. I see this. I'm going to church tomorrow. Just
Wena.
Ngimbuza ukuthi sesempeni uthe mina ngifuna ukhonza inkosi.
Hamba. Angivimbanga mina.
Hamba wedwa awu.
Mina angikuvimbanga.
Angiphuma esikoleni ngathi yopha. Before uBhayibheli.
But what do you mean? Jesus Christ. Tell me you can wear flocks. But we're going to church tomorrow.
Angeke ngisontweni.
Mina Sam just lingane ngafuna isonto.
Ayisa ngifuna isonto. Angeke esontweni phela. And it's good. And doesn't get sugar to drinking. Show me. I have friend to Skype. Are we gonna watch a movie today? Good. Laptop. Ngizofaka Netflix lapho. Ukhona Netflix? Nombuzo buka kwi website. No, these are downloaded movies that are there.
Khona series engifuna siyibuke ku Netflix.
Also, another thing, it has a connection issue. That's why.
Ingakho ngithi sofa lo.
In a connection issue.
Oh,
Network.
okay.
So the movies that are downloaded will be part. The series also is part.
Okay.
When's it done?
No, uninstall Instagram.
Oh.
Thank you, Skype.
Hey, Tabor.
Yeah?
Tabor.
Yeah, okay. Yeah,
Unkumbule?
No.
Mina. Ngenza amanyala la. Ngiyendo nishaqede ukudla nje bese senza amanyala.
Hello. Sis. Mango.
Ngilinde ulishaqede ukudla ukuthi sizokwenza namanyala.
Oh.
How much?
Sis, how ungangifaki leyo nto yakho mina.
Hayi nabantu abangaki? She's on a live. She's on a live. Ndilibele nolibala. Elizabeth, no, I was saying that. I was cracking a joke saying that, oh my God, the only shot tried to go like this is with the manual. I even find it. And I'm forgetting that shit is on a live. Eh, phela unabantu bakhe la. Mina ulive manje. Usekhohliwe ukuthi mina siyasebenza ebusuku.
Shayile manje, utshela ukuthi shayile ndilo siyaqoqa manje.
Yazi niyafanelana. Niyafanelana shem.
Hey, Bo. Hey, babe, do you see Moto Kamto?
No.
Do you know him?
Baby.
Do you know him too, right?
Velela.
Indaba kwentenzekile.
Hayi bo, bra phelile imoto.
What happened?
Accident.
Paul.
How?
Phelile.
Velela guys. Oh.
Mama.
Umuntu ngihlangana
Hayi bo, bra phelile dude.
Yena? Is he good?
I don't know. Babe, he's your friend. You have to check up on him. Oh my God.
No. Ngakutshela ngakuchazela ithi dynamic manje.
Okay, babe. Call him.
Yeah, he's a friend, but he's a friend of a friend.
Neutral. Okay.
Uwanele was a friend. So ngakho nami ngingazi ukuthi something happened. I'm not gonna ask until mhlambe kuze post mhlambe uwanele.
Wenzani? Hey. Awusuke la. Hey.
Phelile.
Ungenzani?
Uyenzelani? Hayi.
Umntwana adle bethu in peace.
Do you know what's the fucked up situation? Only she knows that we do this whenever.
Undifaka.
Awenza into eyodwa. One thing, khuluma nami
Hayi, nangekweleta wethu. Jonga apha ke sana. Awuzuyenza into because wena izolo ndithe mna ndinikeza ndifundisa nayo kangaka. Asoze ndifundisa nayo mashushu xa uba ubuzumekile apha. So namhlanje ke ngoku ufundisa nayo mashushu nam ke ngoku I don't know what I'm doing, but like I'm just everywhere. But now when I'm going and shout ke ngoku. Hey,
Awusuyadedela futhi. Cha wena ngeke ukho right.
Hayi bonke ingadetemi. Mangadetemi kera detemi ba.
Hey, uyachaza ukhulume nefoni lapho.
Benjani? Yeah.
Kade ukhuzwa.
Asikade ukhuza. Babe.
Ngafezwa.
Undali nise. Ekseni bahawu babes ayizona. Nawe.
Bethini manje khuluma kanjani? Asiya abantu abathanda indaba hlebelane.
Wena ekseni wavuka baphendula nophendula.
Bethubunga yabona ukuthi kusini lethu bese ngilithi yabo. Kodwa ukuthi ngibambe idonsa yabo. Donsa emoyeni. I-Wi-Fi is not doing the thing. So I was like, I have the donsa when I get home.
Awukhandile.
Amanje mnandi ayithethezwa. Mnandi bethu. Yo. Isho yami.
Lalela awukhulumi namalitini namanika akho la. Azongitshela kamla ukhanjista uthi. Ongitshela ukuthi wena.
Cala nithi
Indawo ufana naToloma. Indawo ufana naToloma.
cala nithi hawe ma.
Ayibo bibi bora ukhona nawe nje.
Yeah, not right now, but tomorrow
And then
I'm
it's
gonna
a-
work. So the only time I'm around home is Sunday.
Ayibo cala nithi
Hawe ma.
Oh, ngiyasacima lo mfana ifoni cela akublock. Tshela.
Hayibo bese lihle bethu wena.
Ngoba unayo unakelani mina ngoba unake indoda yakho.
Ngiglalela ingoma eculayo. Like I don't understand.
Yeah,
when
ngibona
I'm not
lo
dating,
Tata.
you guys are in, like listening.
Cha yabona nje ukuthi
Okay,
ayayithanda.
yeah, uyayazi manje zalonto oko.
Bese
Hayi,
uyakhala
ngeke
la.
ngoku.
Bese uyakhala ke la.
I feel like that's in last year, man.
Ngiyahla kanjani la? Thabo muso. Hazi he okwesibili ukhuluma into ekhulumayo. Uthengwe.
Cala nithi
Ngilahle.
I feel like I should call you, and when I call you,
Okay.
so like, I was okay.
Ngiyaxolisa phela njena.
cala nithi
Manje
cala nithi hawe.
Hayibo la. Ngikhohliwe la kamulela.
Cala nithi
Ngiba sahlebani manje.
cala nithi hawe ma. Hawe ma.
Ngiyagona man.
You look handsome.
Yena?
You know me.
Yo, koni ngikagela Jo. Ayigowile bra. Yo iwe sizolo.
This way,
Ngize nasizolo. Ukungekho nje.
post it up, it's okay. Tell me more, okay?
Esekhona. Hayi idaba yangu. Eyakho le drama.
Such a baby.
Yo baby.
You're a baby.
And yo.
Now, really, it's how it's supposed to be.
Sithi hawe ma kanjani sifuna ikheke. Cala nithi hu.
Baby, let's just pull in.
Cala nithi hawe ma.
Iqhulisa ndiyenza kahle ne.
Ayibo. Ayibo.
Television, which was his phone.
Soza yenza lo ulihle nazi
Yo.
animazi hip hop asizuthetha ngobuhle ke sana cha ingxakeni uthi xa eba sithojoyina la ndoda yakhe pha anasi kunento ethi
ungayifaki indoda yami le supek yakho yezo le supek nje ukhulumayo lapho indoda yami ungayifaki
bangazona iy'pongo ayikahle.
hayi bukhombe thomi nesiphongo la oyima
angeke sifike kule sakho
Ujabulisa ukuthi namhlanje kusuka entweni esiphongo.
hayibo kodwa angeke sifike kule sakhe lo 5 fingers wakho
9
lo 9 njalo awu
hayi kahle ngoba mina 9 wena 8
uba hayibo kahle bangifika ngisho noku4 mina hayibo
ngesiza kafika kodwa uno
9 kwata ke indoda yakho lapho
9 ikhanda la ukuthi uma lelo ikhanda lentombazane lelo
ilona lelo likwenza induna futhi
utsho milile ngeke ibe sizipho nezenza endisazenze for 2 weeks
oh ngaze ngasutha guys yo ngisuthi down manje
wasikhala
kibatla robela kibatla ana imali okugunda inentombi hayibo
imake lo khuluma ngena khona ngikhuluma esikhuluma ngayo la
awuna imali okugunda inentombi i-reflect ntombi yakho
yazi ke mna ayifuni umuntu othetha ikaka xa enqilile ukutya kwaqhubela
cala nithi hu
wethu kokuxhile sihambe
awu ngitshela usupek mina
ajo ngapho ndikhabunye ngoku akulokhitha liva
wey cala nithi hawu bema oh guys ngisuthi down suthi hayibo excuse me hayibo mina lo I like your hair yo son ozisigowayo kanje cala nithi hu uyabona ke le ngoma ngisisekhanda hayi manje Ivy pat. Say goodbye on the morning, my day, and I'm ba ba ba. Da da di da di da 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 da. Stick a mud on the morning, there go. I will come back. Where that go, man? That go, guys. That go, then you come out. Hey, Bolond. I'm so how guys. Kusakhona abantu abangibuza lo mbuzo manje. Ngibongikhoza ayibo. Hello. Sanibonani. Ayibo. Injani impilo? Ngihlala kamnandi. Why ngigoba ngoba ngifana ney'nkinga zami.
The lost nyani. Xolo baby, the lost apha. Ndifumana imali times 2 ke ngoku.
Sorry.
So the lost nyani ngoba le mali ithi into yami.
Xolo.
Can I the lost hey. Can I call you just now? Okay, my laptop. Ubani nothumela imali ngakho?
Umyeke. Okay sana.
No, kaloku ingxaphane ndibala amagama ngubani lo othumela i-200 eziyi-2. Cela sambe lo tshonza uthi imali. After the call. Mandisa. Emnxasana kaloku ngumandisa. Khani khona ke. 72.
Hayi akumele iy'nkinga zami zifane nami. Akumele mina ngifane iy'nkinga zami. No.
Hey girl, ngisakuthanda.
Umthandi bakuthe.
Mama? Hi mama, all right? Ndiyaphila sithanda sami. Mama nguwe lo ofake i-4 ngoku because benibone ubufakile i-200 earlier on ne.
Umnxasana mama umnxasana kaloku ngibona usithi.
Emnxasane ne?
Nami ngingu-Emnxasana.
Ingxaki yami kaloku ndandazi uba Emnxasane nguwe kaloku so ndiyabhideka xa sibe bayi-2 nquma ngubani ngokulo omnye umama kutheni okanye nakho ngxaki ke sena zami akho ngxaki mama sifane siyakwemeza nkosi kakhulu hayi wena ndikuqumbele okay ngabamisi uthino oxabiso bye nkosi mama ewe ndizawuza sharp ke nilale kakuhle ndiyathanda. Okay, bye. Enkosi ke mama, ndiyathanda ke. Shaba.